Hi friends, welcome to VTeach. In this session, I would like to explain you about fractional sampling rate conversion. So far, you learned about upsampling, you learned about downsampling by a factor. Now, fraction in the sense, if it is like 0.5 or it is like numerator by denominator, how to do this? Check this. Basically, in few applications, sampling rate conversion would be a non-integer. So far you know this x of 2n, x of 3n. So this is integer. You know how to do this. Now consider a case where x of 2 by 3n or x of 5 by 3n. So 5 by 3, it's not an integer, it's a fractional value. How to solve this? That means this is a combination of downsampling and upsampling. X of 2n is downsampling. X of n by 3 is upsampling. So if you combine that, it is x of 2 by 3n. Now let us see the block diagram of fractional conversion. In block diagram, as I told you, decimation and interpolation both are present. So which block should be drawn first and which block should be drawn later? I mean, out of those two operations, which operation should be performed first and which operation should be performed later? So here it is very clear, upsampling is done first, downsampling is done later. The reason is, if you perform downsampling, in downsampling, few of the samples are missed, we are discarding, and there is a low pass filter there. So low pass filter, what it does is it band limits the signal, so few samples will be neglected. That's why if you perform upsampling, in upsampling all the samples will be there, and in addition between two samples we are inserting L-1 zeros. So upsampling is done first, then downsampling is done later. Now let us think about a question whether the positions of these two can be interchanged or not. And if they can be interchanged, what must be the condition? This is what you are going to listen in this class. Okay, so this is the combination. If I say that frequency is f and this is upsampled version by L units, so L into f will be the frequency upsampled, and that L into f comes up to this point, and this L into f, if it is passing through a decimation, it will be divided by D. Lf by D, that will be the output frequency. Take an example, x of n equal to 1, 3, 4, 5, 2, 6, 1. So in this example, he is asking us to find y of n equal to x of 5n by 3. So by seeing at this question, please understand that m equal to 5, okay, L equal to 3, this is m value, this is L value. So first let us perform L operation, x of n by 3, interpolation or upsampling. So you know that between two successive points, insert L-1 zeros. So L value is 3. So between 1 and 3, I inserted 2 zeros. Between 3 and 4, I inserted 2 zeros. Between 4 and 5, 2 zeros. Then again 2 zeros here, 2 zeros here, 2 zeros here. Last sample. So this is the expression for or sample values for x of n by 3. So first perform L operation. Now on this result, now let us perform M operation, that is 5 into n by 3. Already we have result for n by 3. Now we need to find x of 5 into n by 3. So 5 means m value is 5. So what we are supposed to do? Write down the first sample. Then after writing down the first sample, neglect or discard m-1 samples. 5 minus 1 is 4. So these 4 samples will be neglected. Then write down the next sample, 0. Again 4 samples must be neglected. Write down the next value, 0. Again 4 samples are neglected. Write down the next value, 6. Again 4 samples are neglected. That is the end of the sequence. This is the output. So first L operation, and on that result perform M operation. That means first upsampling, and on the result of upsampled version perform downsampling. Now as I told you, can we interchange these operations? I mean, can we do downsampling first and upsampling later as a second step? Check on the same problem. Let us see the same problem. This is the sequence, and if I do x of 5n, first I am doing downsampling. So write down the first point 1, neglect 5 minus 1, 4 samples, 3, 4, 5, 2. I am neglecting these 4 samples. Write down the next sample 6. Let us stop. Why? Because after that you have to neglect, and that is end of sequence. Now x of 5n divided by 3. If I do this 5n divided by 3, onto this 5n I have to insert 3 minus 1 zeros between two successive samples. Here we have only two samples, 1 and 3 minus 1, 2 zeros, and that will be 6. This is and this is same. Even if you are performing upsampling and downsampling, or downsampling and upsampling, the result is same. The reason is, if you observe, m and l values are 3 and 5 or 5 and 3. They are co-prime numbers. So in that case only you can interchange the operations, and in that cases only you will get the same result. If they are not co-prime numbers, you are not going to get the same values. So first operation is upsampling, second operation is downsampling. Please remember that. One more example. Draw the block diagram to convert CD to digital audio tape. So this is one of the important questions, and CD frequency is 48 kHz, digital audio frequency is 44.1 kHz. So you need to understand that input frequency is 48, output frequency is 44.1 kHz. So block diagram is same. First block is upsampling, second block is downsampling. Since it is fraction, we need to combine those two, and see here input frequency is 48 kHz and upsampling value is 147. Please remember this, L value is 147. So f dash 48 into 147, you will get some value x, whatever it is. That frequency will be carried up to this point, and here downsampling value is 160. Okay, 48 into 147 divided by 160, you will get 44.1 kHz. So please remember, for this example, upsampling factor is 147 and downsampling value is 160. So 147 and 160, try to remember these numericals for CD to digital audio tape. And generally this is low pass filter, this is low pass filter. So these two can be combined into a single low pass filter. Check this. Since this is low pass, this is low pass, you can combine these two into a single low pass filter. Simply you can draw with a single filter. Is that clear? So in this class, I explained you about multi-rate digital signal processing with a fraction. So if fractions are there, which operation should be done first and which operation should be done later? Thank you.